is here proud to present for your halftime entertainment the University of Memphis marching band, The Mighty Sound of the South. For over 40 years, Earth, Wind & Fire have been entertaining the world with music that stirs the souls. Frontman Maurice White, born and raised in you-know-where, Memphis, Tennessee, put together a group of Chicago musicians to make a never-before-heard pop music. The Mighty Sound of the South begins with the 1976 chart topper, Get Away. Earth, Wind & Fire soft creative music that was driven with positive spirit that embodied much of 1970s pop music. Please feel free to sing along as we continue our show with the amazing Fantasy. Earth, Wind & Fire's music makes people of all ages want to get up and dance. Tiger fans, feel free to shake your groove thing as the Mighty Sound of the South finishes the show with the 1979 classic, In the Stone.